him realize, say, you're not really into me again.
What?
See, all this man, you wake up. Normally, when you wake up, you just say, babes, you look pretty, you know. This man, you know, they say, babes, you look pretty or nothing. You just get up and just start the way you do so. I will go on.
Look how much things you said to do this morning. Go wash your plate. Go sort out the mat out of front. I don't know how to sort it out because there's so much things you are telling me to do at once. And then me I do it. I don't know what I want. Babe, you're pretty every day. You understand you're a beautiful woman, but you have to understand say, when you put me under pressure sometimes to do everything, it kind of frustrating. Me go forget. Because you love attention. You know that.
Yeah.
Thing. So stop
Me
acting like
supposed to
that.
love attention. Me a feel your woman. You're a female man. If you always want your attention. As much as me give you enough things to do, in between you're supposed to come back to me. First one you do, you come back and say, babes, your eye them pretty. Second one you go back and come back to me and say, babes, your teeth them white. Third one you go, you come back and you say, babes, the shape good, you know. I want to you. Me supposed to always have your attention. So nobody come to me with your foolishness.
Oh my God. You hear me? You hear yourself? I wonder if you hear yourself. If me have a phone recorder right now, make you hear yourself. Me feel run go so. I relay me I play. I must relay. Me tell you this. Me understand you. But the greatest thing if you appreciate. Because me done gone left, right and center, but me still there, yes. So. Yes, me not give you attention. But come on. Jesus. Eh? You have to work it out with me. You know what I mean? Alright then. Give me a little time out then because there's no make a run. Yes, I run. Come back. I don't really me a play.
When me a peel your banana, you ever ask the time off yet? Hello, the least you can do, I go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am. And stop the complaining about whole heap of things upon your brain. Me I only think to upon your brain. When me I do the dirt and do everything where you like, you ever ask the time off yet? The least you can do, I come to me every minute and say, you look sweet today, you're looking beautiful, honey I love you, all them things there. You complain about you want time off. Hello, I only think for the upon your brain. You complain when you want this, when you want all of this. No, you're not complaining. So me tell you, say, you should go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am, you're supposed to be. Yo, ready to come on and rock with one.
Yo, if you have a girl, you have to have style. Come here tell you, say, you see me? I have two girls, and you see two of them live in a 1 yard. And none of them don't know. Because a style do it. I have girl all boy place, you know. I have girl around so. And I have one girl up on the lane there. Because of style. And I love the flow. You see what I say? I have girl is brother. Actually, you don't understand.
Oh, go on out there, so. How are they going?
So hold on there. What my boy you do? How much money you have?
One me have. Only one. But guess what? We don't really need no more because, you know, she kinda too much, you know? Because the attention thing, me not no space for nobody else. Because right now, I know that she's home. That's what I talk about.
How are they going? How are going out here, so?
Babe, I'm for no reason. I eat the ice mint and cool out. Nothing wrong, nothing wrong. I just talk, what happened? You ready for me now?
Yo, you know something you cut to a public. Just deal with it, isn't me? Really?
So wait there, it look like your friend is more important than me. Me there in there so want look at attention and you out here so with friend.
Babe, come on man, yo. Out there say me bridge and talk to him. Why make you always stick me up with something
So
like?
I wonder how you would have feel if me forgot spend all of the time where you forget with my friend them.
Me don't want you give your attention to your friend them want me forget. You understand? So no stick me up man, just a reason for a second. You understand? So when it come down to the fact say your time or your time, me not take out of your time. So what you want from me? What you want?
You know what? Don't make me reach him before you, you know? Don't make me reach him before you. Alright. So, where you hold out on board? You don't know what you do?
Oh. You're beautiful. How's your day, sweetie? Is there anything else you want me to do for you now?
How you sound, sir? You don't sound confident at all. I swear me not believe you. By the way, how you the on the phone at text? You have next woman?
Come on, babe. You want the phone? Me not text nobody. Me just a chill because we up on the road all day. And you know, I start out where I start out. Me deal with everything. You clothes them, wash the clothes and fold up. You know what I mean? Me don't know. I just that. Alright. What you want me to do now? Tell me what you want me to do. Me don't want money.
What the fuck? Give me a phone. You not use no more phone first I wait. Give me a phone. Give me a wallet too. Cause me not fat no fall for man goes. Give me a wallet. Give me. Go over this go sit down. Get up.
Yo, oh, this a man.
Your bright self.
I feel like a torture. Just because I have a woman? No, sir.
Babe, you know said I have something more I want to tell you. I'm the one we tried to tonight.
I could have what that now?
Me come tell you.
This a rasta. Give me wallet. Second times alive, yeah. Yo.
Babe.
Go here.
Babe. Babe, where you gone? Where you gone leave me? You know what? Me I go date a ballad. I rasta now work out.
Thank you for watching thus far. It's a pleasure. I appreciate you. You know what I mean? So guess what? If it's the first time here, you know, subscribe, like, share, and do the right thing. Because I appreciate you, and I'm just growing bigger only with you. So guess what? If you're over AV, if you're there public report, if you're there where?
Bad Girl Care TV.
Just like, share, and subscribe. It's a she bad, you see? Or I say bad, me not talk with a normal bad. Crazy in a real life for sure. But guess what now? Thank you. Big up yourself. Tell them something. Tell them something. Tell them
Thanks for watching, guys. The link is in the description below. Just like, share, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, you know. Make sure you share too.
No.
Alright.
AV, why pray? AV, where you there? Where you there? Me not say.
Yeah, shoot and editor here, people. Spend most of our time behind the camera these days. I'm gonna try to get me some like and all. Anyways, remember to like the video, share, subscribe. Thank you. Yes, so. And action.
Okay. Baby, you're pretty like money. I want to talk about. Bro.
Come again. And action.
What you really just say? Time off? Time off? When me a peel the banana, you ever access me?
Yeah, man, go with the banana.
Peel the banana.
Alright, let me put role play first.
And action.
Time. Oh.
That bad thing.
Yeah. And action.
Oh, you really just say? Time off? Time off? When we are.
Gonna peel your banana. No respect.
Yes, because she's so into it. She's so into it. Yeah. It's fine. You're doing good.
My first time I got so much time, you know?
No, man,
You know,
good,
it's
man.
the first time it happened to me.
It happened to me worse. It's no worse thing.
Alright, I'm ready. Don't spend too long.
Action.
So wait there. For your friend, they're more important than me. Me they in there so, I want little attention and you out here so with friend. You know what? Let me spit and you're not reaching yet. Cause me not play with you.
No. Rough. No, but I use it.
How we go?
Let me spit sod. Sod out. Let me make it sod. We spit sod out.
Yeah.
I ain't reach it. But
Okay.
no,